So this is going to be a review and first impressions of the, you cannot see this, but you can see me, the Milani Gilded Desires palette. This is what she looks like. She's beautiful. We have 12 eyeshadows and 2 highlights for the face down here. Other 2 palettes, big palettes like this that they came out with, I love. This one's also $20, the same price as the other one. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. So I'm in the middle of doing another review on the Flesh Beauty products. I got a few of those on, so that's what I have on my face. And now we're gonna do the eyes. So some of these just look so beautiful. I'm not gonna do full-on swatches. I don't know if you guys want me to do full swatches. Okay, let me swatch them all. I'll show you a few live, and then, wow, these are super, super buttery. Like, wow, buttery. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These metallics are absurd. Wow. 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 Oh, you guys. Wow. Like, I'm just doing, you cannot see that, just one little swirl in there. And holy crap. Like, I am blown away by these swatches. Like, this metallic and this metallic, oh my god, I cannot. Like, these are gorgeous. This black is very pigmented and very creamy. I'm really thinking this palette may be even better than the other 2 palettes. Like, the mattes feel even creamier. The metallics are just out of this world. And this is a $20 palette. These remind me so much of high-end eyeshadows. Like, they're even better. Like, I just cannot get over these swatches. Oh my gosh. So I'm first gonna go in with this shade right here and put that all over my eyes. And then we are gonna go in with this shade right here. And I love this big, big mirror here. I love that. Like, this is a really nice mirror. All right, so we are going to put this shade in our upper crease area and just blend back and forth, back and forth. And I'm gonna switch my brush. We are gonna use the Morphe E23 and just do the same thing. And then our main focus is going to be this shade right here. And these do have some kick up, which I don't mind. Pigmented shades most of the time have kick up. I mean, it is what it is. So now we're going to put this in our actual crease and then blend up. This is a Firma 201 brush. So just back and forth, and then circular motions blending up. I know how pigmented these shades can be, so I don't want to go in too heavy-handed. Kind of just lay down the product where I want it, and then I start blending it out. And I'm going to go back in with the first shade we used and the Morphe E23 and just blend these out. And this is my Morphe M433, and we're going to go in with this dark brown right here. and put that right on our outer corner. And I just poked myself right in the eyeball. Let me grab a different brush. This is the Ipsy T35. Still going in with that same matte shade. Okay, I actually think I am gonna add just a wee bit of the black. I just want to see how it performs. So I'm going to take my Sigma Pencil E30 and then just dab it on there. Yeah, this is a very pigmented black. Let's hope I did not just mess up this whole look. So I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown and just blend out this black. Hopefully it blends out. Oh yeah. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and we're gonna put that all over the lid. I'm going to use my finger first. Oh my gosh. Like, what? This is a drugstore palette, guys. Like, I swear, these perform better than so many high-end palettes. Like, it's absurd. And this is such a unique color. Oh, I just love it. I love it. Real Technique shading brush. And I'm just gonna push that right in there. So now I'm taking just a pencil brush, and right where these shadows are meeting, I'm putting that darker brown. And I have just very little fallout from the shimmer shade there, but the mattes didn't have any fallout. Wow. Like, that's such a unique color. It's like a peach and a gold reflect. It's, I don't know, it's just beautiful. And then right on the center, just, you know, because we're going to be extra today, I'm going to take this shade right here. And I'm going to use my finger. Yes. Like, there's just no denying how beautiful these are. Yes, and the fallout just easily wipes away, so no big deal there. Okay, on the lower lash line, I'm just gonna take a Morphe natural hair brush, and I'm gonna take that first transition shade that we used, and I'm also going to take the dark brown shade and run it under there as well. I want the top lid, top eye area to be the focus here. And on the inner corner, I'm going to use this white highlight shade. And we are gonna put that right there. Gosh, these shades are just beautiful. Oh, you guys. All right, and then I'm gonna use the face highlight. I have one on already, but it's not the greatest. So I'm going to go in with this one here and just gently tap in. Oh, sorry guys. And put it right on top. Yes. Now this is what a highlight should look like. Ugh. Yes. You guys don't even have to wait till the end of the video because I absolutely love this palette. Like, I love it. Hands down, beautiful, beautiful palette. Okay, I'm going to go throw on some lashes. I'll be right back. Okay guys, and I am back. And this is our finished look. I used Kiss Shy lashes and Kat Von D Trooper liner and L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And yeah, this is what we got. I know this look is nothing out of the box. I think maybe I will do another look with it. And I will do something, you know, super out of the box with it. Or a little more daring or just not so normal. But I wanted to use the shadows how I would use them every single day, and this is how I do my eyeshadow every day. Well, predominantly every day. But yeah, this is what we're looking like. And as you've seen, everything blended out beautifully. There's some really, really just unique shadows in here. And I absolutely love it. And 100% I say go out and get this palette. I know it's available at Ulta online. I'm not sure if it's in store yet. And I'm not sure. No, this is an Ulta exclusive, so it's not going to be at Walmart. But yes, 100% I recommend this palette. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this. And if you did, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.